something very therapeutic about playing with clay even as an adult. The tactile nature of clay lets your children develop their imaginations and their motor skills while having fun. Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is me here, and now as you can see in this video, this is a butterfly fairy. This is a video tutorial in which I've used MC instead of polymer clay, and for coloring I have used acrylic colors. In this video I've also used coconut shells, so through this video I'm gonna show you how to use it. And the last, for the shiny and glossy effect, I've also used varnish. Now let's begin. So first of all, I've taken 2 packs of Fevicryl non-sticky white MC. This one is the hardener and the second one is the resin base. So I'm cutting equal quantities from both. I'm cutting that much portion only which I'm going to use now, because after mixing it, it hardens within 90 minutes. I'm mixing the both taken portions, and also I've applied some talc on my palms and fingers so that it doesn't stick. Mix it well till it becomes completely white. First, I will start by making the wings of the fairy. Place a wing-shaped hard sheet on the MC after flattening it. Make the surface smooth by applying some talc or some water. Now cut the outlines of the wings smoothly by using a sharp cutter. Slowly detach the remaining portion as you can see in this video. And see here, the wing is ready. Since it will take time to dry completely, so I'm leaving it for 2 hours. Now this is the bottom portion of the wing, so follow the same steps as previous. See, it has completely dried, so first I'm painting the wings in white. So whichever color I apply on it will have a bright effect. I'm using a sky blue color on it along with Prussian blue as a dark shade. Now it's purple here. The combination of blue and purple on the wings looks very beautiful and attractive. Do the same for the bottom part of the wing also, as I'm coloring the hind wings blue and the fore wings purple. Now the wings are ready, let it dry completely. Now take a small sphere of MC to make the head of the fairy. I'm using a pin to hold it, as you can see. Gradually give a shape of a bun on its head with your fingers. After when it is done, then let it dry. Now I am making the legs of the fairy. Now as you can see, it has completely dried. I'm using a hot glue gun to stick both the leg and hold it till it dries. Now I'm making the dress of the fairy. Give a perfect design and handle it carefully so that it doesn't get stick to your finger and break. I've taken a half coconut shell. First I'm painting the outer portions completely white. After the white acrylic paint on the shell has been dried, apply light green on it. I've taken a coffee cup and cut its base as you can see in this video, and I'm going to stick it on the outward part of the shell as to hold the coconut shell straight up, so for it I'm using a hot glue gun to stick. Now see, this is a clear synthetic varnish. At the beginning also I told that I'm gonna use clear varnish for shiny and glossy effect. I'm applying all through the model and not leaving any portion. So now it's ready. How beautiful it's looking. So if you really like my video, then please share love, giving a like, comment, and please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.